Hi there, I'm here at the Cargill stand at Food Ingredients and I'm joined by Niklas Arneson, who is the Marketing and Communications Director. Now, first of all, Niklas, I've got to say congratulations, because yesterday it was announced that you are in fact the winner of the Sustainable Innovation Award. Fantastic news.
Thanks a lot. Yes, very good news for us as well.
Now, tell me a little bit more about, I know you particularly work in the cocoa and the chocolate area. Tell me more about the affordable financing project around this.
It's a project we've been running with partners in Ivory Coast. Basically what we identified in the cocoa supply chain, access to financing is something that is very difficult for the cocoa cooperatives. And it's been a real hurdle for them to develop their business. So we've worked with external partners in helping set up a financing model for cocoa cooperatives, specifically to be able to finance trucks. We're talking about an environment with poor logistics, difficult roads, and very old trucks. And by enabling them to get financing, they can have a much more smoother and better operations on ground in Ivory Coast.
So, I mean, you're really kind of revolutionising the lives of some of these farmers. I mean, how are they really benefiting on a day-by-day basis?
Well, when we look at sustainability, we look at sustainability in a very broad way. We look at social, economic and environmental factors. And looking at the specifics of Ivory Coast, there are 800,000 smallhold farmers, and for them to be able to get their products ultimately to the markets in Europe, the cocoa cooperatives need to be the center of our operations in Ivory Coast. So what we're doing, we're helping the cooperatives to professionalize. We have our co-op academies where we train co-op leaders. We have our farmer field schools where we train farmers on the ground. And through the financing model, we're also helping them to professionalize the logistics. So I think it is a fundamental question for the cocoa industry to make sure that we have well-functioning cooperatives in Ivory Coast for the future of the cocoa industry.
Fantastic. And you know, I suppose growing sustainably through innovation is a core part of the Cargill business. Are there any other projects around innovation that you can tell us about?
We have a lot of innovation projects going on at the moment. We're looking at, in the cocoa and chocolate business specifically, we have over the last years expanded a lot our presence in chocolate. We've built new capabilities in our chocolate factories in Europe and also in the US. And so a lot of innovation has come and will come out of our chocolate business.
And Cargill is an incredible company. You know, you've been in the industry for over 150 years. You know, you're one of the big players, as you can see by the amazing stand behind you that you've got at the entrance here at Food Ingredients. Tell us a bit more about the insights and the trends that you're seeing for 2016.
The insights and trends for 2016. There are some trends that are there and that will remain. Consumers are more and more demanding. They want transparency, they want information, they have access to information. So for the food industry, making sure we have clean and clear labels, making sure that we can trace back where our ingredients come from. We need to know the farmers in Ivory Coast. We need to know how their lives work. We need to know the farms, because consumers are demanding. And they're demanding it from the brands, and they're demanding it from us as an ingredients manufacturer.
Well, Niklas, thank you so much. I mean, and congratulations. And setting up an affordable financing scheme is fantastic to hear. And I'm sure that award is very well deserved. So thank you.
Thank you very much.